So morning guys, Professor Gold here, and yes, I'm stripping this and fixing it. This is a mountain bike I got for the bairn, my boy. He's not a bairn, he's 21, but it's Catman Joe. But you see what's inside the tyre? Some twat must have been trying to do a temporary fix. But it's a good mountain bike, it's got the disc brakes and that. That's one at the back too. So once we've done that, we've got the Honda Curve running yesterday too, perfect. Got her all tuned up and ready to go. So a polished exhaust, as you can see. It's my wee tool, that's worth a grand, a bag of sand at least, 1,000 quid. But just to show you, this is yesterday I fixed that one, that's for the missus. That way she can get out on her cycle, that's all been dealt with. I'm quite good at fixing them. Easy to fix a puncture. If you want a video on it, let me know. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Goodbye.